Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're working on a bathroom sink that drains slowly, and we're going to try out this turbo snake. It's a new product. We haven't used this before, but basically in the package there's two different snakes, and the snake is basically a long rod that you put down in the drain to try and clean things out. And there's two different ones. One is for the smaller drains like your sink, one is for the larger drains like your tub. And basically you run the snake down in the drain, you twist it some, and it collects the hair that's down in there, and you pull the hair out, and that should help the drain to drain better and get the hair out. And hair is typically what causes these drains to run slow, and so we're going to test this product today and see how well it works. Now we've got our two turbo snakes out of the package, and this is what they look like when you get them out of the package. The bristly end is what goes down in the sink or the drain to get the hair clog out. As you can see, this one is smaller than the other one. The small one is for your bathroom sinks. The wider one is for your bathtub, because the bathtub typically has a larger drain, so you need a larger turbo snake to go down in there. But to use this thing, like I said, the bristly end goes in first, and you just straighten out the wire part of the snake to get the length that you need, and then it goes down with your drain plug, your stopper and your drain in the up position where it's trying to drain. You put the bristly end down beside the drain, down in there, and you twist it to collect the loose hair that's down in there, and then you pull it back out. And at this point, I've got to caution you, if you do this, be aware that when you pull this out, you may get some splattering of water and crud or whatever's in your sink. The instructions warns you to use some kind of safety goggles or something, just for your own protection. If you've had some kind of chemicals in your sink to try and clean the drain to get the clog out, some of those chemicals may still be in there. You may get some splattering when you pull this thing out. So make sure you protect yourself. You don't want those chemicals getting in your eyes. I mean, even if it's just dirty water, protect yourself. Wear some goggles or safety glasses or something just to protect your eyes. But anyway, that's how it works. And I've never used one of these before, but in reading the directions and understanding how it's supposed to work, I'm optimistic. So now we're going to proceed to use this product and evaluate its operation. For demonstration purposes, we've added a good bit of water to our drain. We're going to open the drain, and as you can see, right now our drain is open, and this drain is draining real slowly. And that's what this is for. We're suspecting that there's a lot of hair down in there that's clogging this up, and that's what this tool is supposed to do, is help get that out. The way you use it, you work your fuzzy end down beside your drain, and you just start turning it. And you may feel it and just want to stop in different places. You can work it around, just keep turning it, and then you should be able to pull it out. And look at the crud we're getting out. Now we'll take that, I'm going to set it right here beside, and we're going to do this again. You might want to have your garbage can close by, but just keep turning it as you go down in there, and that'll help pull those hair out. As you can see, our drain's already draining better. We'll stick a little bit there. There we got more hair and stuff around here. And in this demonstration, we're going to close our drain back up. We're going to run some water in here. Take us a minute to run some water in here. And that's definitely draining better than it did to start with. We didn't get a lot of hair out, but we got enough out that it made a difference, and the drain is draining better. It may not be as good as taking the drain apart, but for most people, I think this is a usable tool that would help get a lot of hair out of your drain and help with your slow draining drains in your bathroom. It's designed more specifically for hair clogs, So normally you'd use this more in the bathroom than you would anywhere else. But you've also got the other snake for your bathtub. And I think these would work well for a lot of people. Now at this point we continue cleaning a few more times with our turbo snake. And we also extended the length of the snake so we can get down into the trap just down below all the mechanism that makes your pop-up plunger, move up and down. We got some crud out from down there as well. And I might add that we haven't used any drain cleaners. We haven't used any other product on this particular sink. And we do recommend this turbo snake. I feel like it's a good product at a good price. Could save you the cost of a plumber coming out to open up a drain for you. And just as an example of how well it works, we filled our sink back up, and I'm going to open the drain now. And as you can see, as compared to how we started, that water just goes out just like a brand new sink, like you would expect it to. So as I said, we do recommend this turbo snake. It's a very inexpensive product, but it seems to work really well. And if you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe to our channel if you would. It'll help you to find more of our videos. Our channel, Do It Yourself with Wayne, is all about showing you how to do things yourself to save you money. That's our whole point, is to try and save you money. So anyway, we do recommend this turbo snake for the average homeowner to help you clean your clogged up drains. So just thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne, and we hope you have a great day.